Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw Solana from Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, scroll down and here is my crypto list. And in this list I need to find Solana. And here is my crypto Solana. In order to withdraw, just click on it. And here you will see multiple options like send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. From here, you have to click on the option send. Once you will click on it in this search or enter, you have to enter the address or domain name of that account to which you want to withdraw. Like I have my Binance account, and I want to withdraw my Solana to Binance. So what I need to do is, I will minimize the Trust Wallet, and I will open the Binance. Now Binance is open. In order to withdraw Solana, I need to click on this option Quick Fund, and here I need to select the third option Deposit Crypto. In the search bar, I have to search for Solana. Now here you can see Solana, just click on it. And here also, you have to select Solana. Now the deposit address has been created. The only thing is, click on this copy option. Now it has been copied. The last thing is minimize it, and open your Trust Wallet application. Now it has been opened. Paste that address. The next thing you need to enter the amount of Solana. Once you will enter here, you need to enter the memo. You can also click on it and check what it is. The next thing is tap on the option Next. Currently, I don't have any amount of Solana. The next option has been disabled, but if you have, then it will be enabled. And by clicking on it, your order will be in queue, and within few minutes, you will withdraw it easily.